I wanted to go over the proprietary card file options for a AX7 site. The AX7 terminal has a few little changes in the proprietary card file options to configure. So here we have enable proprietary card file. So you have to turn this on in order to create cards in DX Suite. We have the ability to use a single entry system or a dual entry system. So there's just one card. If you want to track one card in authorize, you can do a driver tracking, you could do a vehicle tracking, or you can do both. These are just labels of a driver or a vehicle for your single entry card. So you can label them as driver, label them as vehicle, or you have an option to select either or when you're creating those cards. The dual entry system uses two cards, a driver card and a vehicle card. There's a little bit different options in the selection as there are to the FSC 3000 site, but basically you are setting this to do you want the transactions to import based on the driver account or based on the vehicle account? So when the transactions come into DX Fleet and you need to report on it, do you want to report based on the vehicle or the driver account? And that's just going to associate those transactions to the correct account. Security code, that's going to be like your PIN number on an FSC 3000. And then do you want it to invalidate after a certain number of bad entries? Do you want the cards to expire? Number of transactions per day. So do you want to set a limit to how many transactions they can do per day? Product and quantity restrictions, which the configuration of this is a little bit different than the FSC 3000, but I have another option in a different video for configuring that. Standard prompt. So do you want a prompt for a miscellaneous entry or an odometer entry? We do have an option for engine hours as well. So you could just select this option here to configure those on your cards. Extended prompts. Do you want to use odometer reasonability or extended prompts in your system? And so you can just turn that on here if you would like to do that. And that is defining the card record options for a AX7.